Ever dream of a bank account that works for you, not the other way around? No hidden fees, no jumping through hoops, just your money growing steadily? Well, that dream might be closer than you think. But before we dive in, have you ever stumbled upon Ally Bank and wondered, is there a minimum balance I need to keep my hard-earned cash there? Building context, 0:15 to 1 o'clock. In today's world, where every penny counts, minimum balance requirements can feel like a sneaky way for banks to drain your account. You work hard for your money, and the last thing you want is to see a chunk of it disappear just for keeping it in a savings account. So, let's crack the code on Ally Bank and see if they play that minimum balance game. Main content: Ally's minimum balance advantage, 1 to 145. Here's the exciting news: Ally Bank throws traditional minimum balances out the window. That's right, there is no minimum balance required to open an Ally Bank online savings account. This means you can start saving with them today, even if you're just starting out or have a limited budget. Every penny you deposit counts towards earning interest, which is another attractive feature of Ally Bank. Their interest rates are typically quite competitive, meaning your money grows at a healthy pace. Deeper dive benefits beyond minimums, 145 to 230. But the good news doesn't stop there. Here are some additional perks you get with Ally Bank's minimum balance-free approach. Flexibility: need to access your money quickly? No problem. Ally offers easy online access and mobile banking, allowing you to manage your account and make withdrawals whenever needed, without worrying about minimum balance penalties. No monthly maintenance fees. Ally doesn't hit you with those pesky monthly fees that can eat away at your savings. Every penny you deposit goes towards your financial goals, not hidden bank charges. Focus on saving. Without a minimum balance requirement, Ally encourages a start small, grow big mentality. You can begin saving consistently, even with small deposits, and watch your account flourish over time. Addressing potential concerns, 230 to 315. Now, you might be thinking, wait a minute, if there's no minimum balance, does that mean Ally offers lower interest rates? The good news is, that's not necessarily the case. Ally is known for offering competitive interest rates on their savings accounts. While rates can fluctuate, they generally stack up well against other banks, even those with minimum balance requirements. Ally's tiered system, a minor detail, 315 to 345. It's important to mention that Ally Bank does have a tiered interest rate system. This means the interest rate you earn depends on your account balance at the end of each day. However, this doesn't translate to a minimum balance requirement. You'll still earn interest regardless of the amount in your account, but the rate might differ based on the balance tier you fall into. Recap and conclusion, 345 to 4 o'clock. So, to summarize, Ally Bank breaks free from the minimum balance chains. You can open an account and start saving without worrying about maintaining a specific threshold. This makes Ally a fantastic option for anyone looking for a flexible, low-maintenance savings solution. Call to action, 4 to 415. If you're ready to ditch the minimum balance blues and empower your savings journey, Ally Bank might be the perfect fit. Consider checking out their website or mobile app to learn more and see if it aligns with your financial goals. Outro, 415 to 420. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy saving.